Now these shorts aren't terrible, but they're too wide at the bottom for me. I don't really like it. Let's fix these, and I don't like long intros, so let's do this. Step 1, determine how much you want to take off of the bottom by pinching and seeing what feels comfortable. Once you find that spot, put a safety pin in it. Oh, and make sure to move around and bend and stretch to accurately judge the new fit, because you don't want them to be too tight on you or anything. Step 2, flip those shorts inside out like you stole them, and we want to figure out what the measurement is of that safety pin.
I think you should subscribe.
Mine is about 3/4 of an inch or 19 millimeters, so I'm gonna round up to 1 whole inch, which yes, is gonna equal 2 inches total since we're taking off fabric from both sides, capiche? Now put a little sewing pin at the bottom there too. Boop. Take the length of your shorts and divide it in half. These shorts have a 7-inch inseam, so half of that is gonna be 3.5, meaning I wanna put another pin right in the middle. And I'm gonna put this pin at about 1/2 of an inch for a nice gradual taper. Put another pin towards the top by the crotch seam, close to the original stitch, as a reminder to say, hey, stop tapering, it's time to be done. Now, do your stitches, do they look like mine? Yeah? Excelente! Let's proceed. Step 3 or 4 or something. Use these settings on your sewing machine and just kind of play connect the dots with those pins. Go slow and take your time. Remember that last pin, it's telling us to be done with tapering and GTFO, so we essentially want to be sewing on the edge of our original seam by that point. This right here is our new stitch in comparison to our original stitch. A nice looking taper. And I've talked about making micro movements with your hands in the past, and this is actually a really good example of that. Cut off the extra fabric, leaving about 5/8 of an inch on the edge, and then finish it with a zigzag stitch to prevent any fraying. Man, these shorts are way better. Now, let's go pair it with a nice dope looking fitted summer t-shirt. It's in the next video. I will see you over there. SD out. See ya.